What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. Today's adventure, so I'm kind of making some changes to the 2020 Indian Challenger. A couple changes I'm not doing, not in this video, but we got, new pursuits come with a tachometer that goes to 7,000 RPM. And on the Challenger for 2020 with the Lloyds tune, you need that. Because I've had it spike 6 and stay there and maybe even a little bit past, but it doesn't have anywhere else to go. So we're going to be adding that, not today. Let's see how today goes, but so far not today. And I got some new ODI grips, the Carry Heart ones, with a nice like color ring to them. Right now I have the Select grips from Indian. They're a little hard. I like the size of them, but the ODIs have a like softer grip. And I've been liking them a lot, using them on the 2022 Chief. So I've only been able to put like 500 miles on those grips, but I've really liked them. So with the Select grips on the Challenger, I've had those for about 27,000 miles. So I'm gonna try these up and I'm gonna go for there. Now, if you guys know, I had the lowers on for that pursuit look, and they're very nice. They get very hot during the summer, so I'm not a huge fan. Even with this little guy right here, I've tried all the little tricks that everybody's tried to tell me, but man, when it's 100 degrees, it's 100 degrees. It's hot. Like, so I've taken them off, but while I have them off, I want to add these. Now, if you guys have a pursuit, maybe you know that it has this internal little like just cutout, and you could have either speakers or a pocket. Now, I went for more storage considering I already have an aftermarket stereo, and so I went with these guys. It's got a real nice like foam insert, little rubber grip in here. It closes solid and it's a little hard to open, so you shouldn't be opening this while riding, and I'm guessing that's part of the deal. Plus, I haven't really used them, and I've had them for like a year now. They've been sitting on the shelf. This, I'm gonna tell you why. I put these on thinking I could put these on afterwards, and you cannot. So there's bolts that go in here, and this whole area is covered. So you actually have to pull this piece off. And that's why I wanted to make this video, in case anybody else is having this trouble of like, what do you do? Because there's a bolt down here, right here. Now right here is the optional like fog lights you could do. There's a bolt there, and then it doesn't come out. So I see this little cutout right here, and you can tell it's like a little pop spot. So I go to do that, and I realize I'm popping this off. Now let's take a look at it without it on. Here we have that. A little dirty on the inside. The outside was dirtier. So it's got little soft padding pieces. You can see where the bolts go. You can see where the little clips go. All in here. And here we have it without it on. So this one's a little bit dirtier. I was trying to clean stuff up. Now the pockets come in. Like I said, you're going to have 3 bolts on the inside, and then you're going to have 2 bolts up here on top to take out. The new ones do come with new hardware, which thankfully, because I have a couple bolts, if you may see them in this video, look a little colorized. That's salt from the salt bed. And yes, I know people told me it was stupid, I shouldn't have done it, my bike's ruined. My bike's not ruined. I just have a couple bolts that they look grimy. I've detailed the bike, cleaned the bike. I think I missed a couple, but it happens. The bike's got 27,000 miles on it now, so it was gonna happen. So we're gonna take this, make sure we have the correct side. There we go. Okay, so it goes in. You can see back here, it's gonna bolt on the inside, but then on here on the top, it's gonna bolt up right there. When you do this, it actually has like a groove on the top too. So let's do this. Got it. You'll see a little tab right here slides down on this groove. The little prongs go in, and then the bolt holes line up. There we go. right, you can see that there. We do have some holes to go through in here, but we got to get the painted side back on so we can actually bolt that back up. There we go. Painted piece back on. Now just needs bolted back up. So normally I would not use an impact or a drill, but it's very hard to get in here, so I'm going to go real slow. All right. There you guys have it. Extra storage. I like it. So let's compare. I'm gonna hold them. See if I can hold them like this. There we go. So you have the cutout and you have the pocket. It's like pocket looks a little bulkier, but I think the function and what you can carry makes it really nice. I'm going with function over form. I like it because it still looks good. It fits the bike. Right now I have them off. I don't know if these will go back on right this second, but definitely come this winter. And it's actually been cooling down a lot, so I may only have a month or so before I got to put them back on. So for right now, they're going to be looking pretty up on the shelf. But at least that box is out of the way. Let me know what you guys think. Did you know this already? Did you do this already? Are you wanting to switch stuff on your bike? If you have a pursuit with the pockets or the cutout and you're wanting to put speakers, this is just a trick on how to do it. It's really not hard to do. It's just time consuming. Getting these on and off with the little clamps that go on your highway bars. Probably is the hardest part is putting that back on because you gotta get on and trying to match up the threads and use that metal clamp. Can be a little bit of a pain in the butt, but if you do it yourself, you can save quite a bit of money too. So just really comes down to how you want to do it. Well guys, until next time, stay safe, stay classy, and I'm gonna probably get a little bit more dirty here and finish my garage and projects with the bikes. But until later, see you guys. Okay, I thought I was done. I was not done with that video, so I just wanted to kind of show you guys it on the bike. There's your little pocket. There's your top pocket. I'm not gonna really mess with it because I don't have it clamped down right now. My bike is filthy. I gotta wash it, but you know. Last thing you want to do when you have time is wash the bike. I'd rather ride. So we'll get there. I'll wash it maybe soon. All right, guys, stay safe, stay classy.